Scotts, Drones and Dogs here. Welcome back to the channel. All right, another good flight day, man. Got my man Scotts3dart out here. We gotta find this propeller real quick. Hold on. All right, guys, I got my man Scotts3dart. He got a new plane out.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Check that bad boy out. Get him airborne.
ME 109.
What is it called?
ME 109.
That's what's up right there. We already know how we do, man. It seems like we always pick the windiest days to try to fly something, don't we?
Oh, yeah.
But that's how we do, man. So we're finna get it in.
Well, this morning it wasn't windy at all.
That's Indiana weather, man.
Exactly.
It'll be windy, 10 minutes, it'll be snowing. Never know. Never know.
Yep.
We gonna get some flying in, y'all. Scott finna take off with his plane. I don't know, I had to be 3 up for a minute. So we're gonna get some flying in.
Nope, there it goes.
Uh-oh. Yeah, something must not be latched right.
Did you see it?
No, I didn't see it, but I was recording. Ah! Wah, wah, wah. Good thing you wore your coveralls. I know where the plane is. Just keep your eye on the propeller. I know where the plane is. The plane's over there. Just keep your eye on the propeller. I know where the plane at. I didn't see the propeller. This the second propeller, y'all. Y'all didn't see we lost the first one. This is actually the second propeller. We're looking for the plane over there, though.
Yeah. No idea.
No! And this is all this nasty. I got my white shoes on. I don't want to walk through this stuff. Oh, man. Ah, this is crazy, man. This is, what the heck? The plane's right there, though.
Huh?
The plane's right there.
I don't see it.
I see it. I got my eyes on it. But
Pretty far.
the propeller couldn't have gone that far. Scott gonna turn in the swamp thing out there, y'all. I'm gonna get something up in the air for y'all. I might have to get the Mini out. We had to do some exploring or some exploration flight. So we figured out the problem. We actually found the other propeller though. Oh, I found it. Scott didn't find it. I found it. Give me the credit, you know. No, we found the other propeller though. We found the other propeller, but we figured out it wasn't latching right, so Scott gonna get the other one going.
My
We're gonna get some
first
flying.
time down, and it broke that.
So it wasn't latching.
Yep.
So I promise we're gonna give y'all something though. We're gonna give y'all something.
We got the P-51 ready to go.
A little something. No, wasn't gonna leave y'all hanging.
And I got the FPV.
Yeah, he got old reliable right there.
Oh,
Old reliable.
why isn't this thing? One flight which all it did was went like this, went up
And down.
wind hit it, it came down like this and landed, and it broke the propeller off. You know, I mean, popped the propeller off like it's supposed to.
Right, but it's broke.
That piece.
Well, at least you got another one. All right, y'all. Me and Scott gonna go up, have a little fun, chase each other around. He got the Mustang out. I'm gonna follow him with the B3, see if we can get some footage for y'all.
All right, ready?
Go ahead, Scott. This is kind of what we do off camera when y'all don't see us. Just having some fun, man. Chasing each other around planes and stuff.
I didn't want to get into the sun.
Yeah, that sun is blinded. Where you go?
And I'm down way in the fucking middle of the field. That battery must not have been for the shit either.
Where'd you? I didn't even see where'd you go.
Go ahead.
So Scott is gonna go get the plane.
Back in the mud again.
Back in the mud. Back in the muck. We can follow him in the B3. Y'all wanna follow him in the B3? Let's follow. We following Scott now. The B3, the B3, we about to follow him. He's going to the mud. Follow Scott with the B3. I can't see it from the bird because I ain't got my FPV hooked up. We surveying the field. Plane went down. We got a down bird. This is Drone the Dogs hitting y'all with the exclusive. We know that. Oh man, do we gotta go searching with the Mini? Do I gotta get the Mavic Mini out so we can search for that bad boy? The Mavic Mini is the ultimate search and rescue bird. The little boy. I get the Mini out, we find that bad boy like no problem. So yeah, this is what me and Scott be doing, y'all. Chasing each other around, looking for planes and props and stuff like that. Oh man, y'all, I'm gonna put up some footage. I had the Phantom 3 up. Shout out to my boy B, TDR Drone, E-Bikes and Scooters. I had the Phantom 3 up. And he had, Scott had the DJI FPV. Can't find it? Oh, he found it. I think he found it. Eureka. I think he found it. Let's see. See, he found it. Yep, he found it. He found it. He found it, y'all. Oh yeah? You probably find plenty of those out here. Yeah, my neighbor like to hit him out here. I think it's my neighbor's grandsons. They come out here and hit him out here. I might say I knew this battery was about to die. Soon, I was like, I can't believe it lasted this long.
When they come, and they will, they'll come for you.
I have an army.
We have a Hulk.
Oh, I thought the beast had wandered off.
You're missing the point. There's no throne. There is no version of this where you come out on top.
Let me infiltrate the beat, concentrate the heat. If you ain't on my level, fuck Fuck it, let me be. I'll be going till it's all in motion. Talking killing rappers, then I hit my quota. And my train of thought is more a locomotive. Talking reason for it, I got locomotives. Used to be on a revenge tip, on a stun on my ex and a friend's tip. I was Spider-Man whipping the black suit. I was powerful but almost lost Luke. Blurring the line between human and artist. Try not to change but I swear it's the hardest. I swear when you're up they turn you to a target. Home was a trip, all I did when I'm talking. So, what it take to be an icon? All in your desktop, so I just might already be one. Mind me with the label, it feels on the table one time, but I'm down for a free lunch. Just speaking my heat-seeking missiles of hits, but other than me, I see no heat exists. Yo, gassed up, I'm about to go green, go green, go green. Hulk smash if she know me, know me, know me. Write it to life like I'm Stan Lee, Stan Lee, Stan Lee. If life's about to be a cold war, I'm the hero that they asked for. Green, green, green. I'm about to go, I'm about to go green, green, green. I'm about to go, I'm about to go green, green, green. I'm about to go, I'm about to go green. Get the fuck back, I'm about to go green. I might begin making a feature Iraq. Cause when I hit your beat, I turn shit to Iraq. Dropping bombs like I'm cursing you out. This your house, then I'm kicking you out. Quiet as a mouse, came in the game. Now the word is out that I've been lighting the flame. Shit is potent, don't you know it? I've been flowing, steady growing till they know the name. Saw it ahead of time, knew that I'd get to my losing myself in the view to some window pain. I swear I'm all about peace, I'm a positive.
That's some nasty muck right there. Hitting y'all with the bangers, man. Y'all make sure y'all like, subscribe, man. Me and Scott be hitting y'all with tons of bangers all the time. If I can get my B3, come on to me. The trusty B3. Hitting y'all with.
It's making a turn and all of a sudden it just went down.
Yes, sir, man. So I got great content for y'all, man. Ooh, I need to stop that. Look what I did. Shut up, controller. You already know, man. Check out my man Scotts3dart's channel. Plenty of content coming. We're gonna have to get another flight date in, Scott, because I think we got a few mishaps. But we're gonna have to get another flight date. This one was kind of unplanned.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? So, you already know. Check out Scott3dart. Hopefully he throws some footage up. Cause I know he got some footage of that P3 flying through the sky. So y'all check his channel off for that. But I got some dope footage of that bad boy right there flying through the sky. I know I got it. So y'all make sure y'all check out both platforms. And probably in the next couple of days, me and Scott will pop back out here for y'all. Get y'all another good video. Yep. We want to get the planes going. So.
Want to get that one going again.
Yeah. You know, so I gotta get my Core Zero out, so we'll definitely get it going. So y'all holler at my man Scott3dart. Till next time, y'all know what it is. Doses.
Peace out.
Let me infiltrate the beat, concentrate the heat. If you ain't on my level, fuck it, let me be. I'll be going till it's all in motion. Talking killing rappers, then I hit my quota. And my train of thought is more